are changing, and so is our style. That is right. Fall is the time where people go from wearing like pastels and summer dresses and blonde hair to dark, a little broody, a little smoky eye, darker hair. I don't know if you ever noticed that, but everyone at salons, they're getting the browns, the caramels, burgundies all ready to change people's hair from light to dark. Makeup artists are getting their fall palettes out. You can say goodbye to shorts. You can say goodbye to swimsuits. It is time to change from summer to fall. Now, switching out from my spring, summer, cutie little blonde highlighted hair to going dark is a commitment. And that's scary. So to jumpstart this transformation, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Paris's Magic Root Cover Up. This is supposed to be for your roots, of course, but instead, I'm just gonna be spraying this all over my hair. And that's just step one of the transformation. But let's get to it. I'm so nervous. What if it stays in my hair forever? Cover your shoulders with a towel. Oh, cover my shoulders with a towel. That should probably happen. So glad I actually read the instructions. Shake well. Check. Spray on hair 6 inches from regrowth. Yo, I'm so excited. I saw a girl on TikTok do this to her like fully blonde hair, and I was like, hello. So I knew I needed to try this, and what better time than for fall, you know what I mean? Oh gosh. What if it like pushes down my curls? Ah! Is it working? Ah! Oh my, it just scares me every time. Oh my god, oh, that one was my forehead. Y'all, since shaving my head, my hair has been like at least blonde tips this whole time. So this is so wild to see. Does he look fake or does he look real though? I just got that on my ear. That's on my ear. Oh, don't get on my bed. Don't get on my bed. Actually, this is crazy. My hair looks so poofy now. I'm so sorry. Now I'm thinking about Halloween. And like, these are kind of perfect. Now we're gonna let it dry for 1 minute. Oh, then it's kind of already dry then. I am stunned. Too stunned to speak. Y'all, I bought 3 of these. There's still like this much left. Oh my gosh, it's probably gonna get on my pillow tonight. I have to shower tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shower. Whoop, that's crazy. Does it make my eyes pop more or less? That's the question. Let's do some makeup. There we go. I will teach you right now how to do a good Smokey. I haven't done one in years. Actually, no, probably just 1 year. But we'll do it again. I haven't worn foundation in a long time. I don't even think it'll match. Oh my goodness, I'm looking like a ghost. The foundation is so light, y'all. I haven't touched this foundation in so long. Give me my face back after all that foundation, please. This just looks wrong. I have to understand this is a process, and it's fine. Well, if you want to know how to do a good smoky eye, you gotta start with like 3 different colors. Grab yourself like a tan color. Like this one does not have to be that perfect because everything's being stacked right on top of it. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go in with this like deeper pink. I think that's my plan. Yeah, I feel so crazy. I'm actually gonna go in with black liquid first, do like a little baby wing, and then I'm just gonna cover it up with some shadow. The baby wings are babying. Brush, black. Let's go in for the win. We are getting there. Now, I'm gonna take a little brush, and then we're just gonna blend it, and blend it in, blend it in, blend it. Little mascara. Not that anyone can see it, but I love a half lash look, so that's what we're doing. Oh, she is cute. Oh my gosh. I had stuff in my teeth the whole time. No one told me. Let's get in there with the brows. I hate doing my lips. Like, I hate doing my lips. This is where it could all go wrong. It really is where it can all go wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going hard today. We're going in today. Not gonna lie, that's kind of a move. Here's the thing about full face of makeup. I just feel like it's a little too like airbrushed. Maybe I'll go over my freckles with the faux freckles. I think that would feel good. Okay, that feels a little bit better. Gosh, this looks so like good. Whoa. Oh my, I'm stunned. Okay, now we gotta put on a dark fit. Okay, I just put every dark article of clothing on my bed. Let's throw some stuff on. All right, outfit number 1. This one's pretty chill. I just don't know if I like the shape with my hair. The alt is good, but I think I need to femme it up. I think we need to kick it up. Let's try something else. Okay, y'all, I went in a different direction this time. I leaned more alt, but I like femmed it up a little bit. We get a little edge with the little bodysuit. I added the hat because I was like, maybe the hat will make me feel more like feminine, I guess, and I think it really does. Now, it's not really that warm outside. So I'm like, maybe I shouldn't wear a hat, but it's definitely a fall look. Let's see if we can keep going. Let's keep this up. Alrighty, we finally went for it. We put on a skirt. It's not bad. It's not bad. I just went for like layers on layers. Yeah, and I think it's fine. Like, I think this is a pretty dope fit, I'm not gonna lie. Do we stop here? Maybe I should put on a dress just to say I put on a dress though. No, maybe that's too much. Quick change just to see. All right, y'all, I actually think this is it. I think we found the fit. I put on my tallest shoes. We did a little waist cinch action. The hat is on, earrings are changed. I think we did it. I think we successfully went from summer to fall. Fall is here, and we're falling. They're gonna be falling for us. Oh my God. I'm feeling pretty spicy. I'm feeling pretty good. Y'all, let me know what you think of this transformation. Now, do y'all change your closets? Do you change your looks? Do you change your hair when we go from summer to fall? Let me know. Because I'm under the impression everyone does, but let me know if that's something you do or not. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!